Stars might seem calm and peaceful up there, but trust me, they're having full-blown meltdowns. From midlife crises to relationship drama, these cosmic divas are dealing with some serious issues. Let's gossip about our dramatic stellar neighbors. So, what happens when a star hits middle age? Well, imagine your star is like that friend who suddenly buys a sports car and starts wearing leather pants at 45. That's basically a red giant phase. When stars burn through their hydrogen fuel, they get super dramatic about it. The core shrinks into a dense nugget, while the outer layers puff up like a cosmic marshmallow in a microwave. Our own sun will eventually swell up so much it'll probably swallow Mercury and Venus. Talk about a messy midlife crisis. These stellar drama queens can grow hundreds of times their original size, turning from regular stars into bloated red giants that would make any celestial body blush. After all that drama, stars eventually settle down into retirement as white dwarfs. Think of them as stellar retirees. They've downsized from their flashy red giant mansions into compact cosmic condos. These stars have shed their outer layers like old party clothes, leaving behind a dense core about the size of Earth. But don't let their tiny size fool you. They're incredibly heavy. A sugar cube-sized chunk of white dwarf would weigh as much as a truck. They're basically the grumpy old stars of the universe, slowly cooling off and dimming over billions of years, probably complaining about how hot new stars these days just don't shine like they used to. Let's talk about our sun's midlife crisis. It's coming up in about 5 billion years, but who's counting? Right now, our sun is like that friend who's starting to worry about grey hairs but still hits the gym regularly. It's steadily burning hydrogen, living its best life. But here's the thing. It's already having existential thoughts about the future. When its time comes, it'll balloon into a red giant big enough to torch Earth's atmosphere. Talk about a dramatic transformation. The sun will eventually lose 40% of its mass, flinging it into space like a cosmic emptying of the closet. But hey, at least we've got plenty of time to prepare for this stellar glow-up. Or should I say, blow-up. Now, let's talk about the ultimate stellar meltdown, black holes. These are what happen when massive stars absolutely cannot deal with life anymore and have a complete breakdown. We're talking about stars at least 20 times bigger than our sun that go full drama queen. When they run out of fuel, they don't just retire quietly like our previous stars. Oh no. They throw the mother of all tantrums, exploding in a supernova that briefly outshines their entire galaxy. But what's left behind is even more intense. A point in space so dense that nothing, not even light, can escape. It's like the cosmic version of ghosting the entire universe. The gravity is so strong, it's basically the ultimate clingy ex that won't let anything go, not even time itself. You think your relationship status is complicated? Wait until you hear about binary stars. These cosmic couples make your dating life look simple. About half of all stars are actually in relationships, orbiting each other in an endless cosmic dance. Sometimes they're perfect partners, sharing material back and forth like a stellar version of sharing fries. Other times, total drama. Some stars get so greedy they literally steal material from their partners. We call these vampire stars. And don't get me started on the breakups. When one star explodes, it can send its partner spinning off into space like a cosmic divorce gone wrong. These stellar relationships can last billions of years or end in spectacular explosions. Let's talk about neutron stars, the ultimate example of extreme downsizing in space. Imagine taking a star twice as massive as our sun and squishing it down until it's just 12 miles wide. That's like cramming Mount Everest into a sugar cube. These cosmic compact cars are so dense that a spoonful would weigh as much as all the buildings in New York City. They spin like cosmic breakdancers, whirling up to hundreds of times per second. And the gravity? It's so intense it would stretch you out like cosmic spaghetti before you even got close. Talk about a tight squeeze. Want to see the most epic farewell party in the universe? When massive stars die, they don't just fade away. They throw the biggest explosion you could imagine. A supernova is like a cosmic fireworks show cranked up to 11. The star blasts out so much energy in a few seconds that it outshines entire galaxies. It's basically the universe's way of saying, "You think you're dramatic? Hold my hydrogen." These stellar explosions are so powerful they create most of the heavy elements we find on Earth. That gold ring on your finger? It was cooked up in one of these cosmic kitchen nightmares. Pretty wild, right? You think human puberty is rough? Let me tell you about baby stars. It all starts with these massive clouds of gas and dust floating around in space, minding their own business. Then gravity shows up like that one friend who loves stirring up drama, pulling everything together into denser and denser clumps. The cloud starts spinning faster and faster like a cosmic ballet dancer who's had way too much coffee. As the pressure builds in the center, things get seriously heated. We're talking millions of degrees. That's when hydrogen atoms start smashing together and boom, you've got yourself a brand new star. It's basically the universe's version of an awkward growth spurt. Ever met someone who just can't keep their brightness steady? Meet variable stars, the ultimate cosmic mood swingers. These stars can't decide if they want to shine bright or play it cool, changing their light output like they're playing with a giant dimmer switch. Some pulse in and out like they're taking deep breaths, while others suddenly burst into brilliance like they're trying to grab the universe's attention. My favorite are the Cepheid variables. They're so predictable in their drama that astronomers use them as cosmic measuring sticks. It's like they're saying, if you're going to be dramatic, at least be consistent about it. Let me introduce you to Magnetars, the stars that seriously need to chill. These cosmic rage monsters pack the strongest magnetic fields in the universe. How strong? Imagine a magnet so powerful it could rip the iron right out of your blood from 100,000 miles away. They're basically neutron stars that woke up and chose violence. When they have one of their temper tantrums, which we call starquakes, they release more energy in a second than our sun manages in 100,000 years. These stellar anger issues can literally warp the atoms around them. Even from 6 galaxies away, they can mess up our satellites and give Earth's atmosphere a good shake. Talk about needing a cosmic timeout. Thanks for joining me on this stellar drama fest. If you enjoyed this cosmic gossip session, smash that like button and subscribe for more space shenanigans. Share with your friends. They need to know this astronomical tea. See you in the next video.